Alright, so these are the elevators that go up to the bridge connecting to the C Garage at Orlando Regional Medical Center. And these are Otis Series 5 Gen2s, serving only 2 floors. Here on 2. Back down to 1. Door close does not work on any of these elevators. Floor 1. These are your buttons, Series 5. Certificate down there, capacity is 3,500. And there's your floor indicator along with your key switches. And now we're gonna get the left car. These also have the extended Series 5 floor passing chime, just like the Penn Square Garage up in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Come out here real quick and show you the bridge. So right there's the bridge, and behind those double doors is the C Garage. Alright, now let's go back down and end the video. Here's your cab view of this elevator, just like the other one, very basic cab, nothing really too exciting. Floor indicator, key switches, and your Series 5 buttons. Certificate as well, capacity is 3,500, just like the other elevator. Other than that, not the most exciting elevators. And that'll be it.